Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google Messages with RCS is finally replacing old school SMS in 2025 or if it's still not ready to take over. Google Messages with RCS now offers read receipts, typing indicators, high-res media sharing, Wi-Fi messaging, and end-to-end encryption for one-on-one chats, giving Android users a more iMessage-like experience that syncs across devices and works over data. But while adoption is growing fast, with carriers finally supporting RCS by default, group chats and cross-platform messaging still face occasional bugs, compatibility issues, and inconsistent encryption. So while it's miles ahead of SMS and finally feels modern, RCS in Google Messages still has a bit more polishing to do before it becomes the universal standard for messaging in 2025. That's the full breakdown. RCS is getting close to replacing SMS, and Google Messages is leading the way. So like and subscribe for more straight up tech reviews every week.